Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset the 2010 Ford Escape oil light. Turn the ignition to the accessory position without starting the engine and prepare the dashboard reset controls. Use the information button and odometer button sequence to access oil life or maintenance settings. I will talk you through the button presses, timing, and common issues so you can confidently reset the indicator yourself while staying safe and prepared. Start by sitting in the driver's seat with the doors closed and the key in hand. Cycle the ignition to accessory so the dash lights come on, but the engine stays off. Use the odometer and information buttons to find oil life or maintenance screens, then press and hold the reset button until the oil light or percentage clears. I will give exact timing tips and what to expect after a successful reset. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tips. Quick recommendation. I recently read The Simple Path to Wealth, and it really changed how I think about money, so consider picking up a copy for solid financial perspective related to car ownership. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thank you for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Sometimes the oil light does not reset on the first try, so don't worry. Try cycling the ignition all the way off, wait 10 seconds, then repeat the exact button presses with steady pressure. If the dash behaves erratically, check the battery voltage and relevant fuses before repeating. Persistent warnings mean a deeper issue, and a quick visit to a mechanic will confirm if service is actually needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.